Okay, so let's see if you can see this. We are going to connect the PDA through a new package which I've made called fast serial, and it is connected to your PCB, and through the USB it's connected to my laptop here. And I've got the Newton connection utilities. I hope you can see this. Okay, now I will try to connect through the PDA. It's kind of difficult to see, but let's try. Okay, so I'm trying to connect and it has got connected. As you can see, if I take it to the board, it's connected. And let's say that we use the keyboard, so we will see it's the pass-through. And okay, so let's try to type something. Can type ASTFG. Let's see if we got it there. Yeah, you got stuff there. Now let's see if we can do something else. Let's say I want to install a package. Let's install this package. So let's install the package there. I got it installed there. And